Let's go. And we are live on a beautiful Monday because we receive a couple of good news, guys. And I wonder if there's a lot of people kind of excited on that one. I want to go ahead and dive in on a few things, and I'm ready to see if we're going to get blessed with a beautiful, nice pump early. But you're seeing right here some very good news for 88 holders Cardano. And we're seeing some decent price as far as not dumping. Let's go ahead and have a chat, everybody. What's going on? And welcome. We're live right now. And every single one of us is ready for a nice pump. Even me, I was like, kind of smells bullish. I'm looking at the prices. I'm looking at the percentages. I'm looking at the sentiment right now. And I just want to address it and watch for a few and see what's going on. Sometimes you cannot witness a pump live, but we can have a discussion and see how we're looking at right now. For those who are coming in really early, what's going on, everybody? Very happy to see you. I'm pretty positive that you saw the news for Cardano. So let me go ahead and show you guys that one. There's many different good ones that I want to show you here. So here we go. Likes. And first and foremost, I'm posting kind of smells like a pump, in my humble opinion. And we also have this one, guys. Grayscale files for a spot Cardano 88 ETF with the New York Stock Exchange. I'm like, let's go, man. That's really nice. Well deserved, in my humble opinion, very well deserved for Cardano holders. And check this out, right? Maybe not the greatest pump of all. Maybe not like, oh man, I mean, what an unbelievable pump, but still is something good for people holding Cardano and buying Cardano. So that's really nice. And I'm asking, in the poll right now, which crypto will get an ETF approval first? Now, why am I asking that? Well, guess what? We have James from Bloomberg, and they are saying the following new. Eric and I took a look at the filings for spot crypto ETFs. So check this out, guys. We're putting out relatively high odds of approval across the board, mainly focused on Litecoin, Solana, XRP, and Dogecoin. Here's the table with the odds and some other details. So I want us to take a look at this, fam. I also want to give a big shout out to Pure Wallet for sponsoring this live stream. Welcome. You have at the top of the chat right now the link where you can check it out, Pure Wallet right here. And I want to go ahead and give it a few to give you guys what they have to offer to anyone who's looking into a cold storage wallet on your phone. I'm going to show you who is behind the technology of Pure Wallet 2, Dr. Kim, and see what we find, by the end of this video, by the end of this live stream. I'm seeing my community right here. Very nice to have a lot of people ready and able to maybe witness a pump with me. But today, just to kind of give you a complete summary, today was a great, I mean, I really like it so far since the very beginning earlier today. Great news. Overall, cryptocurrency-wise, we're expecting middle of 2025 with a nice XRP conference in Singapore. We're also looking at David Schwartz. He is saying, you know what, Trump is going to be removing the ban on the bribery to make sure that U.S. businesses are more competitive, right? So it's pretty cool. So we're going to get to see a lot more interactions too, right? Then earlier today, we talked about the changes, with the with Ripple, as far as the Ripple case and what's going to come with the price. That it's really nice not to see XRP going down. But over the last couple of hours right now, ever since the 2nd, today is the 10th. So the very beginning of February, guys, we dumped. But now we're seeing a decent holding steady price over the last 7 days at 2.40. And one thing that I've heard from a lot of people, guys, is Oscar. You keep saying so many things and the price is not moving. Well, my friends, guess what? I just bought more XRP a couple days ago. Today I bought Ondo. Actually, why I don't just show you, right? Here it is. Stubs. Today I bought Ondo, I bought Cardano, and I bought HBAR, and I bought Jasmy. So today I'm buying about 4.5 thousand, 4.5 of good cryptos in my humble opinion. So I'm ready and able to put that in my wallet and make sure that they are safe and sound. My crypto, my keys, my crypto, and just very excited to see that, guys. So if you are ready to spend some time with us, guys, drop a like, consider subscribing to the channel, and turn on those notification bells. Really happy to be here with you guys. And let me go ahead and say hi. Here we have a lot of people here in the chat for the first time too. Jordan, what's up, buddy? Dangerous Dave in the house. Manolo Fresco, let's go. Darren, nice, man. We see a lot of people here, so really happy to see you guys. XRP to $10,000. Look, buddy, with the amount of XRP that I hold, if we ever get to see $10,000 per one XRP, we're going to have not millionaires, but billionaires, I mean, let's just get the calculator right now. The max supply of XRP is 100 billion, but now it's less. It's about 50 billion in circulating supply. $10,000 per one XRP is just not going to happen as of right now. But for someone who holds 100,000 XRP, right, at a $3 right now, or well, actually it's much cheaper, 2.43, that is $243,000. You got to pay $250,000 to have 100,000 XRP right now. Well, that's just ridiculous, man. 100,000 million billion, $1 billion, bro. One complete $1 billion for 100,000 XRP at a $10,000 price per XRP. And you know what? That obviously sounds ridiculous. That sounds like it's never going to happen, obviously. I mean, who would ever believe that, right? In your dreams, of course. But I'm just saying, man, how about if we start looking at things a little bit more realistically, right? And first thing that we have to do is get to that 1 trillion market cap. 1 trillion market cap is $10 XRP. Roughly, kind of like just an easy math. 1 trillion market cap is $10 XRP, more or less. So something that I can totally rally behind is this. $1 million. There's going to come a time. There's probably going to come a time, fam. And this is just me. Who am I? I'm a nobody, fam. But I'm someone who I've been doing crypto for 4 years, paying my dues, doing my due diligence, buying the dip, and getting plugged into the community. I used to buy $1 per one XRP. But I think a lot of people listening to me right now can agree that there's going to come a time when you guys will have to pay $3 per one XRP, $5 per one XRP, $7 per one XRP, and $10 per one XRP. And guess what? There's going to come normies, new investors who will be very glad to pay $10 per one XRP. You know why? Because by then, the price of Bitcoin, more or less, how much you think the price of Bitcoin will be? Well, by then, price of BTC should be well past $150,000 to $250,000, somewhat close to the $250,000 per one Bitcoin. So when you tell people, how about if you buy one full Bitcoin value at a house of $250,000, or you try to start with this XRP coin that is worth $10. think a lot of people will be, you know what? I'd rather go ahead and buy this $10 price. I'm going to skip lunch and I'm going to buy some XRP. Obviously, you and I right now, you're like, come on, Oscar. That's probably not going to happen. $10 XRP win in your dreams. That is much better than 10,000, right? But just with that comment, I kind of gave you a story, right? So today we're bullish. I think that we have some news when it comes to the ETFs, and I want to share with you guys. For the crown, what's up, buddy? Happy to see you and welcome. All these crystal ball readers. I mean, for reals, everybody. $10 price XRP shouldn't be a problem, man. Shouldn't be a problem. I have some XRP emojis and they pump it up in Dungeon. No, pump it up. So use the emojis, guys, if you want. I'm very happy to see you guys. Check this out. By then, there are going to be a lot more competition, and it might be overvalued to look at past coins like except XRP to always hold the number 3 spot. I joined the game late, but been scrapping every penny I can buy to get a 1K XRP before rockets. 1K XRP, Nick, you got to get that 4-digit. Well done, brother. Happy to have you. That's nice. I don't think XRP is going to pump really, really high. It'll pump high, but I believe the pump will be shared with other ETF crypto. You know, you guys are all right. You know, no one knows the future. But one thing I know, guys, is that, I mean, how many people, like, we didn't even have a crypto ad at the Super Bowl. Now, what does that matter, Oscar? Well, millions watched. No one has a clue what XRP is. I can promise you that if you ask everybody who was at the event, less than 5% will tell you, oh yeah, XRP is this. Less than 5%, man. I mean, we're not really adopted by retail. We are probably nicely adopted by institutions, and it's getting better. But retail is obviously nowhere to be found. Nowhere to be found. And that happens. And it's true. XLM, I did convert it to ACH. It's a good move. Got it. Look at Ethereum ETF. It doesn't guarantee price bump. That's a good one too. So guys, let me show you this. Let me show you this. Let me show you this. So what do we have here? Digital asset firms that have filed the S1s. First 19B-4 file date. 19B4 acknowledged date, final SEC deadline, and does the SEC currently view as a commodity, and odds of approval. Now, this is coming from guys at Bloomberg. Guys at Bloomberg. So this is not me. I'm just sharing with you some information, all right? So 90% that Litecoin XRP gets approved, 70% that Solana XRP gets approved, 65% that XRP ETF gets approved, and 75% that Dogecoin XRP gets approved. So maybe you could have seen, or we could have wanted a little bit higher odds of approval for XRP, right? But that's how we're looking so far. James is sharing this with us. And let's go ahead and kind of like dive in on this one, because I really want to hear his thoughts, because he's obviously an expert in this field. He's like, big implications and expectations in these odds are that filings with the acknowledge will be acknowledged likely this week for the XRP and Dogecoin. Guys, likely this week for XRP and Dogecoin. Pay attention, because this week might be good. Hey, Smack, what's up, buddy? Welcome. Thanks so much for the kind donation, buddy. Appreciate it. The SEC and the Commissioner Pierce's crypto task force will be untangle some of the security versus commodity implications from the lawsuit by the end of 2025. Plus, if you watch my previous XRP video, right, when I was at the office, I told you that Eleanor is telling us that Paul Atkins will not be confirmed, will not be passed probably till May or April. That means that the work from the commissioners right now is heavily important. Commissioners are literally dictating what's happening right now. We still don't have a decent for crypto SEC chair. That'll be Paul Atkins, right? It's still not confirmed. Hey, Giovanni, what's up, buddy? XRP will not hit $20 this bull run. Please learn market cap. $20 will be 1.5 trillion, not this bull run. Somebody saying 20. Somebody saying 20. So, pretty good, you know. Excited for what the future holds for us. Eric says the following. Our official Alcon ETF approval odds are out. So I think a lot of people are paying attention to this. I might be able to make a video on this one, right? To kind of like bring everybody up to speed. I saw this and I saw crypto moving and I'm like, let me just go ahead and get some initial thoughts. And that's why we're having this conversation. So I wanted to give you some sneak peeks and insights, guys. And also, you know, welcome everybody because I love you, fan. And I really, really, really appreciate it, right? I also want to tell you about, you know, before we continue, and you will see the price right there, 2.43 per XRP, which is pretty nice. In the last 1 hour, we're seeing these tokens do something and moving. Look at that. SUI with a 13%, Virtual 13%, Radium 16%, which is really nice. Sing, please. Man. Bitcoin dominance has to come down for everybody to rejoice. But, hey, I'll be ready and waiting once Bitcoin dominance starts cracking. So right now, that is at 61% Bitcoin dominance. I'll tell you, when you finally start to see a 59, that's going to be pretty good news. Right there. We need to do this. Right? So, I think by now we're aware and now ready. And whatever comes, we're bullish, guys, that things are going to be doing pretty nice and fantastic, fam. So drop a like, guys, and let us know in the comments down below how you're feeling. Always welcome and happy to receive you here. And we got over 1,000 votes right here. And XRP Ripple is getting all the love in that poll, fam. I want to give you guys a little bit of a tour here too to our sponsor for tonight's live stream, Pure Wallet, the world's first ISO certified offline blockchain wallet. Always ask, the people when they reach out, who is behind it? Who are your devs? Who is the brain person, And this is the person for Pure Wallet. Dong-Shong Kim, Dr. Kim. So this is the one responsible for NS Labs. And then NS Labs is the one who has the technology for this project for Pure Wallet. They also happen to have a pre-sale right now, which you will get all the information once you click the link on top. And they do have 2 licenses, which is pretty crucial to have nowadays for a wallet. This was posted about a month ago where he says, experience beyond blockchain with Pure Wallet, ultra secure cold wallet, 0 gas fees for offline transactions, and technology for digital document. What's going to happen is that you go on the App Store, you browse for it. Once you get it for free, and there it is, NS Labs right there. Let me show you. Right there, right below. So my pleasure for you guys to continue doing your due diligence on that one and give it a look for sure. DMC, what's up, man? Pray to God Bitcoin goes to the moon or else all of our crypto is going to be stuck as it has crashed. I'm bullish in crypto and Bitcoin, man. I believe that things are going to get much better as soon as we start getting positions filled. We have a bunch of positions not yet confirmed for the Trump administration. And one of those big ones is going to be the SEC chair. And I don't even know about the CFT chair. I have to check. I don't know. Maybe it's still pending, but this SEC chair is the one that matters the most, for sure. Hey, Juan, what's up, buddy? Happy to see you. Welcome. Good to see you, Oscar, talking about Pure Wallet. Hey, awesome, Austin. My man. Good to see you, everybody. Awesome. I'm going to make you a moderator, bro, so I can see you, because you are missing your check, man. You can always come in and help us out if you want in the comments or so. Always like to honor some great creators like you, man, with a mod status. So let's go. No sleeping, someone says. What are we claiming it's about to pump? It's still low 250s. Because if you check what happened today with some cryptos, Cardano is one of those that's getting some love from the ETF community. And I was like, well, could we? Of course, Austin, you're always welcome to be here, brother. I was like, could we have a positive effect? Could that have a positive effect for XRP? Because we're also waiting to hear some great news. Great news, as far as crypto, as far as XRP, and the welcome. That's the ring. Excited for Crow ETF. Dude, I know, man. I want my Crow ETF too. Thank you. Absolutely. Thanks so much for the kind donation, buddy. I appreciate that a lot. Man, we got to sing it, right? Don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Come on, man. We had one good day. I think that was Friday or so, Saturday, where we had the nice 2.50 rally. It was pretty good. It was this one. One of this. I think it was Friday. This is Saturday. One of this. Oh, it was this one. Yeah. Like we did a nice 4-hour candle and then just a beautiful rejection. But now look at us right now. I don't know, man. Just gotta be ready for whatever. Look at ADA. I bought more Cardano, by the way. I bought more Cardano too, so I'm pretty happy for that. Giovanni's like, let's be realistic. Let's talk about 5 to 7 first. You guys talking about 20 and 50 is not reasonable as misleading. Giovanni's getting heated. Yeah, I mean, to be honest with you right now, I think $10 is what my max right now. 6, 7, and 8, $10 plus. So don't come after us, Giovanni. Sturk, thank you so much for the kind donation, buddy. I appreciate that a lot and welcome. Sometimes, remember, they just had a Super Bowl with millions of people watching, and a lot of people say they didn't like it. A lot of people said it was nah. Some people say it was the best Super Bowl ever. Some people, they have spectacles huge as you can name them, right? For us, we have some awesome community events like this when it's streamed, right? Where thousands of people come and we enjoy the positive or negative momentum for crypto. That's it. And you still get mad at us sometimes. Come on, man. Enjoy the fun. Enjoy the vibes. Sometimes it's just much better to be here with the loyal OG community, because if XRP starts to rally and rip right now to, per se, $3, guess what's going to happen to the number of viewers? We're going to 2-3x in minutes, because people are like, let's go, freaking pumping. Yeah, I know, but it's the people who were here believing, putting in the work and buying the blood on the street, on the blood, that they are now like, I'm a genius, bro, because you came in before the crowd. You came in before the masses and the FOMO, man. We love it, man. Oscar, I know you know reality. Some people mislead people. Thank you, Giovanni. That's why I got you as a moderator, brother. That's why I got you as a moderator, bro. Because I know you are sticking with me when it comes to that. That's pretty good. Just good, man. It's all long fartcoin. I don't know what people have with fartcoin, man. Crazy stuff. One of the greatest Super Bowls to watch. Patrick Mahomes thought he was the GOAT. Tom Brady for the win. Oh man, it's it's just like gone, right? Say like the Super Bowl, the halftime, everything gone, no more. I know how fast, right? How fast it happens, but we're here long term, man. We're here long term. We know where you and I are heading, guys. And I don't have to remind you, fam. You already know it, guys. By the way, this is something that I did on my own, and just kind of wanted to give you the full results. So now we have a complete full day, and this is the winner with 6.5 thousand likes compared to 346. XRP is the winner of which obviously the likes are always going to be higher than the repost. But I just kind of wanted to make a statement. Why not? I took the opportunity as the beef, as the tension, the friction between the two. I wish the two the best. I wish, Stellar the best, because I know that still it should be fine, right? Hold it. Stellar was one of the big ones as far as the pump goes. And I'm just like excited to see things flourish. I'm aware we're very anti-XLM now. No. I mean, what I'm saying is that, someone messed up, Someone messed up on this Stellar account. I think that was completely unnecessary. But can we get to up, 45? I know. Then we can tank Stellar. Man. It's fine, Carlitos Way, what's up, buddy? Welcome. Love from India. Let's go, man. Let's go. Man, I've been waiting for another dip to buy. I'm thinking that maybe I just buy it now. I just did it, Look at Cardano, man. Look at Cardano, man. Oh, by the way, I bought more Jasmine too. I want my Jasmine to pumpity pump. And Sui. We got Sui too. You got Sui? Some delicious Sui? By the way, Pepe today put in some green prices too. Ondo, I got Ondo. I'm happy I got Ondo. Got a little bit of HBAR too. Why not? Kind of like stack. Let's go ahead and stack our positions. Solana, I got a bunch. So I'm very happy with my Solana positions. XRP today is kind of like not doing much, but it's not crashing. So I'm just gonna it's not crashing, baby. Sometimes not crashing is good news. Your opinion on ICP? I still haven't done my due diligence on Internet Computer because I don't hold it, brother. So I cannot tell you much. But one thing I know is that ICP back in the day, years ago, did phenomenal. And people were all crazy on ICP. I'm not your guy for ICP. Obviously, I'm going to be transparent on that for sure. Oscar 1, believe me, what happened? My 1-year-old was playing with my phone. And so all my XRP on Robinhood, I bought it again, but lost 700. Steven, let me tell you a funny story. So, well, it's not so funny, but what happens is that Robinhood sucks. Those fees are going to kill you. Just a mess. Robinhood sucks, Coinbase sucks. You better buy it on crypto.com or BingX or Binance or somewhere else because they're making so much money from us. It's stupid. It's dumb. Pure Wallet in the house. Shout out to the Pure Wallet fam. Owning Pure Wallet token will give you early access to the Pure chain when the blockchain comes out in 2025. Pure Wallet, make sure you deliver greatness. That's what people deserve. XRP well selling to jump on the 80-year rally. Look at the chart. Let me get the volume up. Let's go ahead and the volume. We're looking at the 4-hour chart, and on the second, we had a nice overbought here in the price. Now we're in the middle. So we're not only in the middle on the Bollinger Bands, but also on the RSI. But look at that beautiful, nice green candle. It's like XRP gets an ETF breaking story. Nothing happens. Like earlier today, I told you, right? We got a new ETF confirmation. Nothing happened. Cardano gets one. Look at that. Man, that's because Cardano hasn't had one, right? And if you get one, there's a chance that you could get maybe another one, a second one, right? And I'm like, okay, that's why I already got some. I was buying Cardano under $1, and I think it's a pretty decent price point, right? Just FYI, before things start pumping. Giovanni, that's why so many people love hearing you tell the truth and don't mislead people, Don't tell people the ridiculous prices for views. Absolutely, brother. And I appreciate that, because we kind of have to start cleaning and sweeping all those thoughts because, no one is going to change people's mindsets, right? But I kind of just want to give my 2 cents when I hear 10,000, when I hear, per se, like $1 Shiba Inu or $1 Pepe, or it's all about, different understanding so many different things. Like, I get how we're extremely early to a point that even 1 penny Shiba Inu could make sense, but in the long-term future. But right now, there's so much going on that it's not 2021 when you only had Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. It's not 2020 and Saitama and SafeMoon and all that garbage, right? But it was much easier because the meta was dogs. In 2021, the meta was what's the dog whatever meme coin. Now everything is meta. Everything. DeFi, AI agents, metaverse, NFT, AI. It's just celebrity, rug pulls. Even rug pulls are metas. Can you believe it? How stupid that sounds. Solana, it's just insane, man. Everything is meta now. Like in 2021, we had maybe we were kind of going at 40 miles per hour. Right now, we're going at 100 miles per hour, right? So it's not for everybody, but we're trying to do the best we can, guys. And if you're enjoying listening to this, guys, drop a like right now and consider subscribing to the channel. Turn on those notification bells. Whatever happens to the price, we're here ready and able to send it, man. That's what it is. It's true. A-team in the house. Of course. You got Austin. The awesome Austin. Newly promoted to moderator, so I can see it much better because he's missing his check soon. Soon he's gonna get his check for sure. Litecoin is doing very well at the moment. I wonder why it is. Here it is. Boom. Litecoin doing well. The funny thing is I have no Litecoin. I have no Litecoin at all. Zero. Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin. Those are OG cryptos. Like those are OG digital assets. Those are held by people who have 7-8 years in crypto. You have to be very early for those ones. It's just not for me. I think I kind of want to buy the next generation of crypto, but Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, even Ethereum, right? Those are cryptos that people back in 2017 and 2016 kind of wanted to buy. It's true. That's the way it is. I also have another thing that I kind of, let me see if I liked it. Here. So Bloomberg 2025 ETF odds are live, right? So just kind of like much easier to get it. Even Polymarket, 83% chance approval in 2025. And that is one of the reasons. Let me get closer. That is one of the reasons, guys. I'm secretly, not so secretly, buying so much Solana on the side. Because I'm not that clever in trading Solana meme coins. Like, I accept that. I'm not a degen by any means. That Trump play, I got lucky. And I was able to make some decent money. Dude, I was about to make the trade of the year, bro. But Melania came and Melania was really a nightmare for me. But it is what it is. But I'm really loading up on Solana, bro. I'm just telling you. Because I know things are going to do pretty well. Once we start getting those checks. Once we start getting those ETFs coming in, we get Solana, we get Litecoin, we get XRP, and it's gonna be pretty, guys. It's gonna be pretty positive, right? Here it is. Grayscale submitted Cardano 88 spot ETF application to the SEC. Bro, how many? Like, bro, fam, we are at a moment where they are getting submitted for approval. People in masses are gonna buy these all crazy digital assets well past approval. They're gonna, let me just put it this way. A lot of millions of people in the United States, just the US, they are gonna buy their first Cardano, their first XRP, their first Solana, and their first Dogecoin as an ETF from these asset managers. Take it to the bank, bro. Take it to the bank. You and I right now are buying on DeFi, on exchanges, on whatever application. But well more people are going to be buying them as ETFs because they're super smart financial advisors at these mega massive corporations are going to tell them, don't do it on your own. Let me help you. Just pay me a nice management fee. Don't do it on your own. It's too risky. It's too dangerous. You might lose money. Look, back in 2022, look at all the billions lost. Let me do it on your own. You cannot. How many were, that's going to be, they're going to make so much money from people. The people making money are going to be all those managers, all those big corporations, because it's true, man. It's true. I'm not lying when I tell you that. People are, the reason why they are trying to get as much as they can, all those ETFs, is because on the back end, they're going to be making millions, bro. Millions. While you and I, we got 1,700 people right here, guys. We are trying to do it the best way we can. Just reverse engineer it, bro. Like, we're buying it on an exchange, and then you send it to your wallet. Once you get it on your wallet, you're good to go. And talking about wallet, big shout out to Pure Wallet, our sponsor for tonight's stream. Let's go, guys. Drop a like, fam. How we all doing? We're on fire today, even though we don't see the price doing much. Every single time we have an Oscar Ramos live stream, we get pretty pumping, Hey, all, see what's up. Happy to see you. Welcome. I need to get some 88 then. Don't buy green candles. That is exactly why I like the blood on the streets, It's true. Elon says we are 6 to 8 months out for an XRP movement. Nice. Oscar Ramos coin, never. One thing I can promise you, and it's so easy for me to say this, I will never, ever, ever launch a meme coin, a project. It's just not for me, bro. I'm not that smart. And I could train and I could do my best, but no. I'd rather spend my time enjoying and sharing with you guys some amazing crypto news, my take on many different angles, and the positions that we're making based on how much we're making. That's it. But no, I don't have any inclination to make a project. Whatever you hear about it is a scam, it's a rug pull, report, and block, period. When will altcoins uncouple from the movement of Bitcoin? Once we have Bitcoin dominance down, brother. Once that happens. Right now it's 60%. It's going to be tough. It's going to be tough. For the first time since buying in the last year, I'm looking for a sell-off to pack more of my bags. You see? We're getting some pretty vampires knives. That's really good. That's really good, fam. So I want us to kind of like take a look to Pure Chain right here for as we continue exploring wallets and as we continue kind of like finding different ways of keeping your crypto safe. People do this. Well, how about doing it on your phone, which is obviously another way, another type of business model. Right now, let me go ahead and bring this video right here. So Pure Wallet AI ecosystem, which you can take a look at exactly how they offer and what things are gonna roll out. That's the call button. When you press, you have the option to start actually doing what one of the main value proposition is, right? The offline crypto wallet. Now, the world's first security system protect your asset without hardware. Get started for $39.95. So they have a business model right there. Top tier security recognized by the Ministry of Science and the ICT. Perfect. So some of the comparisons that I kind of like to emphasize, right? Pure Wallet, the offline transaction is possible. Ledger, Trezor, Bitbox, and CoinKite is not found. We have right here the security level that you have. Hot wallet comparison to Coinbase. We have MetaMask, SafePal. So they're putting themselves with different competitors. So I'm obviously always telling them, hey guys, keep building. Because when it comes to wallets, you're messing with people's monies and you gotta be protected and secure. And like I said, fam, this is the man behind the project. This is the man behind the science, Dr. Kim. And when you come here, you can see, of course, the post and the experience. And this is Chief Executive Officer at NS Labs right here. So you're aware and you know how things are rolling out. I'm going to go ahead and put it right here. As you can continue doing your due diligence for Pure. They reach out, so they're sponsoring tonight's stream. Cheers. And let's go. Robinhood is easy to use, Alicia. It is easy, but they charge a bunch when it comes to fees. They charge a lot when it comes to fees. I gotta tell you that. What do we have here? Oscar, you promote BTCC? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I'm on Coinbase one exchange. The need to add a new crypto too is BTCC better than Coinbase? Frank, let me explain a little bit of the difference. You know, it's all about the seamless crypto and friendly usage. The easiest exchange to navigate is going to be between Robinhood and Coinbase by far. I've tried over 50 exchanges. Robinhood and Coinbase make it very easy for people. Why? Well, because they're going to charge you a bunch in fees. Some people find BTCC harder, which it's because they charge you less in fees, and it's kind of like a little bit more advanced, but it's not that bad compared to other ones that I've used that are, super technical. On Coinbase, you have normal and advanced. So it kind of like has different type of liking. Robinhood does have an advanced version, but people are used to the normal view of Robinhood. So bottom line, if you want to pay less in fees to whoever the transaction, like when you're doing big transactions, if you're trying to sell $10,000 of XRP, $50,000, you're trying to buy $20,000 of something, the reality is that you're going to pay a bunch of money to Robinhood. And I don't want that. I don't want to do that because that's eating up from your profits. But if you're trying to pay, let's say, out of a 50,000 transaction, maybe 50, 40, 80 plus, which is much better than paying $700, then you'll have to go to like BingX, Binance, KuCoin, all those, including BTCC. So if you're doing trading, for all of my traders here watching, you want that bottom line to be safe and sound, and the fees is what you care the most. So that's why you can click the first link down below, guys, and join me on BTCC. We have a 2,000 XRP giveaway once you join. you'll see my page with this, and it helps you, get 10,000 welcome bonus and more, up to, right, 10,000. And that's pretty good stuff for all my traders right there. So good question, buddy. Just want to make sure that you know and that I can explain that. Because as I'm someone who does buy and sell, the fees are crucial, right? To actually make some good positive ROI. Pure Wallet. What's up, guys? So happy to have you. Owning the Pure Wallet token will give you access to the smart mining capabilities of the Pure Chain. The mining will be done through the Pure Wallet app on your phone. Send it. Around how much are the fees in Robinhood? You can research that. I mean, I'm not going to do it right now, but it's all online. It's all public information. Browse for Coinbase fees, Robinhood fees, compare. Take your fees and much more. Yeah. Ooh. Great question. Alicia, I agree. That's why I'm wondering who is the best, Oscar. Yes, that's why I'm answering that. Great job. For the Crown says Coinbase still has my account locked. Are you kidding me? Man, they're crazy, I did have a terrible experience on Coinbase. Let me tell you something really quick, guys. About 3 years ago in 2021, I had an issue on Coinbase that I remember I talked to people, I called them 10, 20 times. They sent me to a guy, to another guy, to another guy, to another guy. They just cannot help you. Coinbase, man. And from what I hear, it's been 4 years and people are still having tremendous issues with them. So I wish them the best. It's just that something there is going on, I don't know. That's why, as someone who is connected with crypto.com, if you want to go ahead and use a top tier, high level crypto exchange with mega security, all the licenses you can ask for, crypto.com. Where's my crow from watching? Crypto.com is the best. And you will see in the description, find it. My link is right there. Use it and you get some free crow. If you want the top tier, like in my list, BTCC is great. It's phenomenal. That's the ones where I got my collaboration, right? But if you're like, you know what, Oscar, give me the best you got. The best you got. Okay, the best I got, crypto.com, period. Nobody can come close to crypto.com. The best one. For my people in the United States. Caca. For my people here in the United States. Right? So, FY. Austin says Coinbase One and Premium is legit. Yes, I had Coinbase One for a while. It's good. It's just that there's, in my humble opinion, a little bit of better options right there. It's just the market when it comes to exchanges is growing very fast. People want to make those monies, All right, good, guys. I always like to provide you with some context. It depends who you ask for. People are going to tell you Binance. People are going to tell you Webull. People are going to tell you, I feel that there's going to be well more competition as we see a much better market. That's why, if I had to trust someone with 99% of my business will be crypto.com. They're just really good. And I know people in crypto.com. So if I see something wrong, I'm going to go after them so bad. But they already know me somewhat. They know how I do business with them. So there's, yeah, I'll leave it at that. Drop a like, everybody. Consider subscribing to the channel. Welcome. Very happy to see you. And let's go. You see, there's a big conversation between Coinbase and other ones. I like it because everybody uses Coinbase. That's kind of like how people got into crypto, early. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's popping here. Oh, Oh, look at this. Peter Schiff is speaking. For those who don't know, Peter Schiff is one of the biggest Bitcoin bears, and he's having a space saying 100,000 Bitcoin meant nothing. 3K gold means everything. There's gonna be a bunch of bears there and pro gold people. I kind of always find out that people who don't like Bitcoin love gold. So, hey, crazy. That's what it is. Ooh. Monica is excited to reply to this one. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. This happened less than 1 hour ago. For those guys, for everybody who's coming in right now, we broke the news earlier today with the partnership Ripple and Unicambio from that's Portugal, right? And how cool that is, because Brazil, Portugal, they speak the same language, right? Portuguese. And it's super similar to Spanish. So when people are speaking Portuguese, even though I don't know any Portuguese, but I 75% understand what they're saying, right? So it's always good to be bilingual. But she's saying the following: very excited to add another country, Portugal, to the Ripple payments network, and to grow the vital Brazil-Portugal corridor with Unicambio, joining existing customers including TravelX Bank and Mercado Bitcoin. Love it, man. That's nice. And a lot of people are saying real world utility. That's the way it is. Nice. Monica Long is an OG, and I think a lot of people are really, really happy to see that, which is pretty nice. What do we have here? Austin King is saying the following: recently, RLUSD supply nearly doubled and drove over 400 million in volume. Most don't understand the scale of Ripple's stablecoin strategy soon could include a $4 trillion economy. Japan. Here's what you need to know about XRP enters the next stage of growth. It is 58 seconds. Why don't we go ahead and listen to this one, guys? I'm always down for some good news. Let's hear this one.
The bigger guys partnering with the smaller, innovative companies. Bigger guys partnering with the smaller, innovative companies. Ripple, way back in 2016, partnered with SBI, one of the largest and most successful banking conglomerates here, and really across a lot of financial services here in Japan. And that's been a really successful partnership for us and for them. So we feel like it makes sense to when you enter some of these markets to partner with some of the bigger guys. And that's true in Korea, that's true in Japan. Depending on what market you go into, we try to figure out what's the best way to enter.
Especially here in Japan, we've talked about regulation being a bit more clear, but also the government has been very active in setting those regulations. At the same time, we're headed towards a presidential election for the ruling Liberal Democratic Party. Do you have any views on the potential that this market could change?
Well, actually, while I've been here in Japan, I've met with regulators, I've met with the FSA, I've met with elected representatives, and what I've heard consistently is a desire to lean into these technologies. The bigger guys partnering with the small.
Bam, we're going to go to the moon, everybody. In how many languages do you need me to say it? I can only do 2, Spanish and English. Yeah, fam, I think it's going to be confirmed. You just got to find the greatest company ever and go all in. I'm not talking about a meme coin. I'm not talking about a rug pull Solana crazy, overnight dump failure of a coin. No, I'm talking about something legit, blue chip. I can speak XRP. Jake, you got me. That's a pretty nice answer for sure. More guys saying huge God candle coming for Fartcoin. I think you keep saying the same thing about Fartcoin. Somebody's very, very bullish on Fartcoin. I get it. Not a problem. Oscar, light chain on AI pre-sale. Did you get any Wall Street Pepe? Nobody. Man, I've been calling them 3x day, trying to get my coins money unlocked from Robinhood. Crazy, man. What it is. Crazy stuff. Oscar, I did research on Robinhood and it doesn't charge fees or commissions. They have something called, I just cannot remember right now, but it's they may say it doesn't have a kind of like a sell fee, but it's I don't want to try it because sometimes I have sold by accident. And I don't want to do it right now. Spread, thank you. They have spread. They have the spread stuff. Thank you guys. I just had to remember. They have spread, which they use it as an excuse, but that's how they make money, bro. They say, "Oh no, we don't charge any fees." They do. It's inside that. It's inside the spread. So I mean, come on. I mean, that's just so obvious, man. So obvious. Yeah, of course they hide the fee. I mean, it's like 0 fees, but we charge you $700 to sell it. I'm like, what? Chino says XRP is sleeping. Chino, well, I mean, at least the community is here with us, Hey, Oscar, do you have any projects you're holding not listed on exchanges? Not at the moment. And if I have, I probably forgot. So I like this one, fam. I really always like to kind of like take a look at people and how things are talking about, XRP, different angles. Cardano continues at 74, which I'm very happy about. Caspa finally moving. Finally moving. And my Jasmine also tries to move, which is really, really nice. Let's go ahead and take a look at this one, see if we can find some more. Smell like a pump. I hope, right? Cryptosaurus George just posted this one. What it says: in 2013, James accidentally threw away a drive containing 8,000 Bitcoin, now worth over $630 million. Oh boy, that's a lot of money. Key dates this week: we're gonna have inflation rate coming in 2 days. We have CPI. CPI is coming in soon. I don't think it's gonna do much. Obviously, just the inflation rate, but it helps to know, forecast what the next FOMC is gonna be like. I shorted XRP with free BTCC money so that when I get liquidated, our backs go up. My man, whatever you need to do, right? Whatever you need to do. I know. So keep an eye on those ones for sure. Crypto.com is already telling you. What is this? Grayscale file 19B4 for the Cardano ETF. First one in the US and ballpark 60th crypto ETF file this year so far. 60th crypto ETF file this year so far. What? Wow. Charles Huskins said, man, that's so cool. Still Presidente. I want to make people money, but I don't want to make mutants money. That's so funny. Yeah, I mean, if you're in Solana, you're listening to this guy, obviously. Yeah, I already made a video about it. I already made a video during the weekend. I believe it was on Sunday where I made it. So I already gave you some insight of what I think. NASDAQ is going all in on XRP. The exchange has filed it's the SEC to list the CoinShares XRP ETF, arguing XRP's massive liquidity and decentralized nature make it hard to manipulate, even less than Bitcoin and Ethereum. The ETF will let investors gain exposure to XRP without holding it directly. It will track XRP prices with secure third-party custody and daily calculations. If the SEC approves, XRP could become the next big ETF success story. Is XRP about to shock the world with an ETF of its own? What? Is XRP about... I think you mean if it's Ripple going to shock the world. Man, I'm so ready. Just some couple of big news, that we just had just today. More big news that justify a nice pump, but nothing's happening yet. Hey, Anonymous, thanks so much for the kind donation, buddy. I appreciate that a lot. What's going on? Should we expect something? Yes, expect more people to start asking the same thing, and therefore more people. I think the whales already know that retail is looking for action, so manipulation is going to come as expected, you know. We don't have a big date other than CPI this week that I know of. So I guess anything can happen at any moment. And that's why I'm asking the question, are we about to pump? And that's my Ross. Ross is saying, yeah, let's just go to $4 coming soon. That's my XRP. That's my XRP gang. What's up, Lucio? Nice to see you, buddy. Welcome. Oscar, not looking for advice, but curious on your thoughts on Atom. Cosmos, Atom, really, I haven't really had much connection with Atom. Cosmos. Cosmos is big for Kronos. Like, they provided the ecosystem. They're big, you know, and they pumped massively back in the day. Really nice. But I think Cosmos is just a chain that is in the back end serving its purpose. I'm not really your guys for Cosmos. I never held it, but it does work. It does have utility. Anyone want to trade a Charizard for XRP? Pump it up, man. That's nice. Glad I found XRP when I did. I know, right? It's true. So, guys, I also want to remind you one last time about our sponsor of tonight's stream, Pure Wallet. You get the link up there in the comments right there. Big shout out to them, for reaching out to the channel, for letting us know, having a great conversation and transparency. Whatever I ask, they answer for us. So I really, really like it. And I just want to remind you guys to do your own due diligence on Dr. Kim behind the NS Labs. You have, of course, much of the things that he has worked on right here. The Pure Wallet application is also ready for you to download it. So if you come here, one of the things that I like is that this is the application right there, and it's asking for my face, authenticating right there. So checked, and boom, there it is. My crypto's right there, ready and able, which I can do the call. I can get the previous benefits right there. Pretty cool. Because, they have to make money, which makes total sense. If somebody's looking for an opportunity at this, it's early, but before putting any money, do your research and get on it when you can. Last, we're going to come to this page, fam, and I just want to show you the buy Pure Wallet tokens PWT at a special price. Yes, they do have a token. They do have a pre-sale where you can connect, fam, and support the cause as they continue expanding little by little. So appreciate everybody. Appreciate the Pure Chain too and the growth that they're right now having. And we'll hope to see you in more of these special lives with you and the community for sure. Because even right now, we don't have a price bump, and there's great people watching, great people supporting. I can only imagine how much crazier it's going to get in due time, right? So always happy to bring some pretty cool projects to this space. Jack Cubbing, what's up, buddy? Happy to see you. Bitcoin is so annoying. Just wait and see you get to the meme coins, bro. It's crazy stuff. What's up, Jay Cohen? Appreciate it, buddy. Welcome. March 10 will be the top for most cryptos, then down for the last 6 months. My humble opinion. I see. Yes, I do agree, Russ. When it comes to Cosmos, they do offer amazing staking. It's just one of those that they have up to 10 plus. So it's really nice, that they offer those kinds of benefits to the holders, because it's an OG crypto for sure. It's one of those big ones. I'm going to go ahead and close this ones right here. So right now, Cardano takes the win. I'm showing you the 1 hour. Let me go ahead and show you the 1 hour here. Today, Monday, at around 3 p.m. What a nice, decent pump. Today at around, what is it? Yep. 16 right here. XRP. We're getting more made in the USA ETF applications, which is phenomenal. Exactly what we needed to see. So, guys, maybe we didn't pump in this live stream, but keep your eyes open to all the opportunities I already bought. Once again, let me go to my page right here to show you. We got some Ondo. We got some Cardano. We got some HBAR. And we also got some Jasmy, just in case, adding as much as I can before we start rallying. And as you can tell, I've been updating all my subscribers and also on Discord, if you guys join my private community, of all my positions that I do. And when I open some longs as well, I do that just because I just want to be ahead of the game before any of those great news come in. XRP is just one great news away. Dismissal of the XRP of the Ripple case, approval for Paul Atkins, anything related to Ripple and Trump, right? We haven't heard much now when it comes to Brad Garlinghouse and Trump, but one good picture can change the narrative. One good picture, right? And I know that Brad is still pushing and going to places, so I'm bullish on that for sure. It is what it is. I've been grabbing a lot of HBAR and Ondo. Nice cryptic. You can get better return on Atom and Osmosis. Yeah, Osmosis. Woo, back in the day, I remember that one. Oof. Osmosis was killing it at some point, I remember. There was a channel on YouTube that, man, like, they will talk all about Osmosis too. I remember. Things have changed, you know, but it's good that those OG projects still are here. I think it will take the end of the year to reach $3 again. I don't think so. I think $3 will be seen again. What's happening right now is that it's just we peaked at 340, right? I mean, that's amazing, bro. That literally happened last month. It's still too early. We'll be back in no time. Sometime in 2025. 2025 is this is our year. It's not gonna be next year. This is it. Might sound like it kind of weird, but this is it. So stay put, stay bullish, fam. Thank you, everybody, for coming into the space. Closing the poll right now. And what do we have? Which crypto will get ETF approval first with 71%? People want XRP. It might be Solana, it might be Litecoin, but XRP has to be a yes. Absolutely yes. And once that happens, we'll get ready because even Cardano is waking up today. I want to thank you guys for showing up to the stream. Shout out to Pure Wallet for reaching out to us. And I hope that, we were able to answer some of your questions. Welcome to all the new subscribers and members. And well, it's going to be a good week for what it looks like. If not, we'll still be here in the blood on the streets. You know us. Thanks so much, guys, for supporting us a lot. And I'll see you next time, guys. That's all I got for you. XRP to the moon, confirmed. Yes. We just got to be a little bit more patient. And even Chintai, there it is. That's the one that I talked about, Chintai. So I got to grab some Chintai. That's another big one that I got to keep my eyes on. Thanks, everybody. Catch you in the next one, fam. Peace. Let's go. Frank, you just literally asked me that. Yeah, checks. I haven't. I just been busy. I need to buy Chintai, honestly. I just kind of wanted more red, It happened yesterday. It went to 82, and now it's 96. I gotta buy more. That's one that I don't have, but I wanna, because it's not on the exchanges that I usually buy it. I gotta open a Mexi account, and I haven't done it. Well, I'm gonna keep my eye on that. So checks. Let me post it here. Checks. It's RWA. It's a big one. So for those who are still watching, I'm giving you one special one. Check CHEX. All right. Peace.